Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vibes with Selena, and in today's video I'm gonna prepare tiramisu, which is an Italian dish which is very expensive. So let's get started. So these are my ingredients to make the tiramisu: some mascarpone cheese, Milky Mist condensed milk, some honey, cocoa powder, Britannia rusk, Amul fresh cream, vanilla essence, and we got cinnamon powder. So let's start preparing our tiramisu. Yeah guys, so I've got my bowl and my whisker ready. And now I'm gonna add some fresh cream, 250 grams of fresh cream. So I'm adding my fresh cream. And now I'm gonna add a half a cup of powdered sugar. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that my ingredients are added, now I'm going to whisk it until it turns nice and fluffy. Now I'm done whisking this. Yeah guys, so my batter for the tiramisu is ready. And the aroma is just filling my room. Yeah guys, so I've got my rusk and my decoction, which is ready. So now I'm going to soak my rusk in the decoction, and later let's get plating. Now I'm soaking my rusk in the decoction, soaking them for 30 seconds. Now I'm done layering my first layer of rusk at the bottom. Now I'm going to add my cream to the first layer. Now I've just placed my cream. I'm done spreading my cream out to the first layer. Now I'm going to add some condensed milk. I just added the condensed milk for some richness and flavor. Now I'm done with the second layer of my rusk. Now I'm going to add my cream. Now I'm done with the second layer of my cream. Look at it, how beautifully done. Look at the layers. Now I'm going to add my cocoa powder, which is the final touch. Now I'm done layering my cinnamon and cocoa powder as well. And now I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours for it to set. Alright guys, so finally the wait is over, and look at it. Just can't wait to dig in. Just look at it. The layers.